ossa, mis asja? It was small anyway. It just got loose now.
Nyt panin kuule plehkulle. Joo. Väikkä. Puolen kiloinen.
Pildi peale sai või?
Ma ei tea.
Ma ei tea, ma just kohmisin seda käima panna siin midagi.
Kurat, see on jama, kui pildi peale ei saa, siis vähemalt oleks aparaati sisse jäänud.
Seal pole otsas.
Ja muidugi, Võrgus on siuke oht ka. Kaunis, jah? Jaa.
Papaas on ilma jää.
That has it's what's it called, where it gets all the air circulation. It has squeezed them together, so it's been drowned basically. Oh, these are like some small shrimps. Yeah. Ossa rois.
Ei tea. See pidas sõita küll, aga... pisik.
Ahah, nii.
Mida? Mutter on sinu otsas ju. Lase võrgu sisse alles. Läheb. Hästi lihtne. Võrgu sisse, võrgu välja. Loomulikult tõmbub. Stop! Natuke aeglasemalt.
These are floats, Robbie, yeah? And under that is like little, what's it called? Heavy metal.
The weights.
Well, just the line, the blue one, is heavier than the water, with some metal inside.
Okay.
And then that drops to the bottom, and these floats are keeping it exactly, but it won't lift the net up to the ice with the surface. Otherwise, it gets ice, you know. So it stays on the top, but like on the surface there, underneath, in the bottom of the sea, with these just like a wall.
Okay. So you do it at 90 degrees to the island, fish traveling around the island.
No, it's just like the shape of the surface underneath and everything, rocks and stuff. But they know already, you know, where they put them. but every time they need to do it like test holes, and they check how the bottom is with these long sticks, and because if it's rocks and stuff, the nets get stuck.
How would you check the middle?
Well, they have these every 5 meters every hole, so
Okay.
you know.
Natuke pikem kui.
Mm-hmm.
Do they check the net every day, or have they got them all?
Every day.
Have they got different ones around the island?
Yeah, sure. Just from here goes other one to that direction.
Tõmbad. Taha tulla või? Vaadaks kinni ei ole, hakkas tulema.
Kinni oli või?
Ei olnud, aga
Otsas on kivid seal.
kohe tõstab raske.
No siis on paksult kala lõi. Tegelikult sellepärast tuleb, võtta ta peab seal nööri järgi. Kaarega.
Kui läheb kuhugi oksa taha kinni. See on kuumas või siuke. Siin ei ole, see on tagasi.
Tunda ei olnud.
Jääb siia vahel mingit lestavärki ka või?
Tuleb lesta ka muidugi. Kokre. Läheb uus jah?